I am in South Boston, Virginia, clearly Virginia, and I am walking up to the Century Cotton Mill, which is an old mill that has gone through a number of names. I think it was called, obviously, Century Cotton Mill, Damask Mill. Anyway, basically, I'm walking up to the very tall structure of what is actually left of the structure, because it was vast. But obviously it's a historic piece, and they do have a gate around there, so I can only get as close as I can get to the structure. So stay with me, people. Dude, this is cool. Holy shit. I like this already, man. This is so cool. You can see there's a park over there. There's some people walking through it. I might check that out next. But I want to check out this freaking awesome. Let me pause for a minute. Let me pause on the beauty that I see before me. I think that's a mill over there. Holy crap. This is beautiful. I looked at some pictures and I saw, like I said, this place was vast. This is the only part that got saved by the Halifax Historical Society. They saved it from being torn down, which is so awesome, because who would, oh my gosh. I'm sorry, you guys gotta bear with me. You know I love beautiful historic structures like this. This is so dope. Holy crap. Oh my gosh. Wait. Is this door unlocked? That's so cool. Yep, Halifax Damask Mills Incorporated. Let me go around this side. Damn, that's beautiful. Can you imagine going all the way to the top and just chilling up there? I'm not talking about jumping off. Some people always want to talk about jumping off these things or whatever. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about just going up there and chilling. You can see where, you know, the building was attached and whatnot. So cool to see how many people were employed here. This building right here probably employed a lot of people, put dinners on the table, you know, paid a lot of bills. That's why I have so much respect for these historic abandoned places, you know. The stories these buildings can tell, man. So dope. I'm really, really, really glad that they were able to save this place from being completely torn down, you know? That's a good thing. What is this over here? Yep. So dope.